I know that sound. After all this time, you're knocking at my door again. I heard your footsteps in the hallway, just like I heard them years ago. My heart remembers every detail, even the things I tried to let go. You said you missed the way I loved you. You said you never found the same. But I remember all those nights when I was calling out your name. Now you're standing on my doorstep, asking if there's still a chance. But before I let you come inside, I need to know where we stand. You're knocking at the door, but I'm not who I was before. You left me with a broken heart. Now you're asking for another start. You're knocking at the door, and I can hear you through the walls. Part of me still wants you, but part of me remembers it all. So tell me, baby, what are you knocking for? I spent so many nights rebuilding every piece you left behind. I learned to sleep without your body. I learned to live without your lies. Now you're looking through the window with those eyes I used to know. And for a second I forget all the reasons I let you go. You're saying that you've changed, now you're saying you understand. But love is more than saying sorry. It's proving who you really are. You're knocking at the door, but I'm not who I was before. You left me with a broken heart. Now you're asking for another start. You're knocking at the door, and I can hear you through the walls. Part of me still wants you, but part of me remembers it all. So tell me, baby, what are you knocking for? Maybe love doesn't disappear. Maybe it just learns to hide. Maybe I still feel something every time I hear you outside. But I can't open up my heart just because you came back home. If you want another chance with me, you'll have to show me I won't be alone. Knocking, knock my door. I hear you knocking, but I'm afraid to open. Knocking once again. Tell me you came back to stay this time. You're knocking at the door, and my heart is fighting with my soul. One part wants to let you in, one part says I've finally grown. You're knocking at the door, maybe this time we could be more. But if I opened up my heart, you better not break it anymore. So tell me, baby, what are you knocking for? I'm standing right behind the door. I can hear you breathing, but before I turn the key, tell me you came back because you finally know I'm worth staying for.